guys, Rosegal here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing another try-on haul video, guys. The items that I will be showing you guys are from Rosegal. So they did send me these items. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start. I will be posting the pictures of the pieces on the screen somewhere para to show you guys how it looks like on the website and to kind of compare if it looks the same sa website and in real life. So I'm gonna start with this piece here. This is a pair of pants. I really like this color. I'm really into this color lately for pants, but this looks really big. Ang laki nito, guys. It comes with a belt as well. It has a faux pocket at the back. Yeah, it's too big. It's loose. I mean, maybe I can make it work by... I think it will look alright if I put like a belt and make it tighter. I want to make it work so bad because I really like the print. I think we can make it work, guys. Yeah, I think that works. In fairness sa kanya, guys, I think we're making it work. The back looks like that. So it has a loose fit, obviously, para sa akin. But I like it. So yeah, kailangan lang siya ng belt. And I like that it has pockets. 2 pockets at the front. Alright, next one. Guys, it says Zaffle. But I got this from Rosegal. Wow. Red na red. Woo! I think it will look good with my pants. Yes. We'll see. Let's try it on. Guys, it looks like this. Now, I did not know na ganito siya ka-tight. This strap here is elastic, by the way. And yes, turok ako kanina, guys. Parang velvet material. It actually feels really, really nice. The elastic part, look. It's falling apart. Next is this. To be honest, I wasn't expecting this bright of a yellow. It is a bright one. I was expecting like something like, you know, parang mustard. Pero this is like kind of like yellow-orange color. But it is a dress na I feel like it's gonna be long on me. It looks like this. It's very bright. Yeah, it's gonna be way too long. But you know what? If it fits nice dito, we can fix it. So we'll see. Guys, kung matangkad lang ako, this will actually look alright. Like, kapag dito siya nag-stop, oh. Diba? Pero because I'm really short and I really like it though. Gusto ko yung ano niya, guys, material niya. It's hindi din siya see-through. I like the detail sa bottom. So I think I will get it fixed. So siguro ano lang siya, parang angat lang siya ng ganyan, oh. And this is gonna be a really nice, like, loose dress. No, I like it. Hello, guys. Oopsie. I think I got another one of those top. Yes, I did. This color. It's a really nice velvet material. And yeah. So, I'm not gonna try it on. But, oh, this will look really good sa mga tan, yung skin tone. Yes. Ano, labas na labas yung morena na kulay mo dito. Next is this one here. I think I remember this one, yeah. Yep. It is a long sleeve na crop. Ganito siya, guys. Cropped siya, but you can wear it with like high-waisted pants, jeans, and it will look alright. Hindi din siya super fitted, so it has like a loose fit to it, which I really like. It has that off-shoulder going on, so perfect siya for spring because it's not like super cold, but I actually really like this. This and this actually doesn't look too bad at all. Akala ko hindi sila magiging like okay kasi pareho silang stripes, pero it's not too bad, right? Hindi naman siya ganun ka tsaka tingnan. I don't feel like it's gonna fall off. It just stays there. It's like an off-shoulder. It's very, you know, chill. Parang nag-effort ka, pero hindi naman talaga. Kasi yung cut niya, parang nag-effort ka. Ano? Ano daw? Yes. So, it is a top, guys. Ooh, I like the color. Christmas na Christmas. Lately, gustong-gusto ko tingnan yung mga straps na ganito. Thick straps. Ooh, I think it's gonna be too big. We'll see. Malaki siya, guys. Pero madali lang to i-fix. So, it's fine. I just need to take this in. And then dito din. And then magiging fitted na siya. Tingnan ng ganyan. And, yeah. Yeah, okay lang siya. It's a really nice, simple, but kind of like a pop of color outfit. So I can wear this with maybe black jeans. I do not remember getting this, pero ganito siya guys, long sleeve na meron siyang collar na ganyan. It looks like this. I think I'm gonna remove the strap kung susutin ko siya kasi the strap is loose. Like parang siguro it will look better if ganyan. I don't know. Yeah. Kasi it's way too loose, but that's what it looks like. It's nice tucked in sa ganitong klaseng pants. Wait, tanggalin ko nga to. Because I think it will look better without the collar. Para sa akin lang ha, I think it's better without the collar. Siguro kung tama yung fit nun, okay lang. Pero mas maganda tingnan na ganito, parang wala lang siyang ano dyan. I like this. I like this combination, guys. It is a stretchy fabric. Not like super stretch, but it has some stretch to it. Yeah, another Christmas dress. Christmas color, green, red, diba? Pang Christmas yun. Malaki to siya tingnan. It has a sexy back though. Alright. So it has the ruffles, and then you can tie the top like so, and then you will have your back open. Guys, I don't even know. It reminds me of scrub suit. Yung sinusuot sa OR. I don't know, guys. Ito yung itsura niya. Hindi ko gusto yung yung tela niya kasi parang hindi ko siya ma-explain. Parang pa-plastic, pero hindi naman siya matigas. Meron pa rin siyang flow sa kanya, pero kapag ginanyan ko yung sleeve, no, it doesn't look good. Yung likod, tingnan natin yung likod, mga kaibigan. It is open. It's open for the world to see. Ganyan. It's very loose here as well. Like, you know, I like a loose fit. Pero kapag mga ganitong style, dapat medyo fitted dito para nagstay lang siya dyan ba, diba? Kasi ayaw mo namang mag-move siya dyan. Parang siyang red-orange na color. It is a dress. Yes. It has that nice... Yung mga buttons niya malaki. Ano na bang nangyayari dito? Ay! Pag inangat mo siya dyan, no. Kasi dito, malaki. No, it's way too big, guys. It's way too big on my... Sabi nila small daw to. Hindi to small. Laki nito. Tingnan nyo nga. Laki-laki. Hindi siya madaling ayusin. So, wag na lang. Wag na lang natin siyang ipilit. So, this one is just a black, plain top. It is, I think it's see-through. Pero okay lang black. So, it just looks like that. I think pa-dress. Hala, guys, dress na to sa akin. Is it a dress? I think it's a dress. Hindi siya top, guys. It is a dress. Looks like that. I like it. It's very chill. It fits me perfectly. Like, I want this in every color. Gusto ko to in every color. Sobrang hirap ko hanapan ng mga ganito na kasya talaga sa akin. And I love it. Like, it just sits right above my knee, which is perfect. Ito na. Outfit na to, guys. Bag ka lang. Crossbody bag. Hindi din siya see-through, diba? Yeah, I don't think it's see-through. Wow, this is perfect, guys. And it fits perfectly here. Hindi siya loose dito. Like, tamang-tama lang talaga siya. Hindi din siya body-fitting, which I like. Gusto ko na nakakahinga yung chan-chan ko dyan. It's a really nice flowy dress. The shorts looks like this. Gustong-gusto ko yung material niya. It has kind of like, I don't know if it's lace, but not sure if you can see properly, but looks like that. I really like the print. Very subtle ng color niya. Looks like that. It fits me. Wala siyang pockets. But you can wear the belt like that. Sana lang meron siyang pockets, but wala. So yeah, this is nice as well. Another stripes. Oh, belt. Ooh, okay. Okay. It is a pair of pants. It's very, very baggy looking. So I think I will have to roll it up again. But it comes with its own belt again. Elastic yung dito niya. Yeah, it's very, very, very baggy. I'm gonna roll it up and see kung bagay. I don't think bagay siya, guys. Kasi parang malaki siya. Very, very weird yung cut niya. Kasi parang pag ganun siya sa ilalim. Parang pa-skinny pero hindi siya skinny. So, I think kung ano lang siya, kung wide leg lang siya or straight, it will work. Pero kasi pag ganun siya sa baba, no, I don't know. Pero nice tong color na to, ha? Parang pantulog lang. Okay, we have this. Oh, I remember this. This is a nice color. It is a top. Yellow. Ito, top na talaga. Ito hindi to dress. Yellow na yellow siya, bench. Ganyan yung itsura niya. No. It is way too big. I'm not sure if this is something we can fix. Maybe. Yeah, so, paiklian mo. Like, you know, ganyan mo dito. And then, iklian mo yung strap. Ito na naman yung isa sa mga kailangan. Ang daming kailangan i-fix. Yeah, this is way too big, guys. Laki dito. Ang baba na dito. Siguro kapag inangat mo yung strap. No. Okay. Maganda pa naman yung print niya, pero hindi siya para sa akin. Oh, shorts ata to. Yeah, shorts. Okay. Ganito yung print niya, guys. Parang nakaka-happy yung print niya. Hindi to bagay dito sa top natin, guys. Pero di bali na. Di naman to fashion show eh. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kung fit ba siya ng maayos. Oh, it fits! Hala, tamang-tama siya, guys. I just do not know what to do with this. Oh, I think it... Okay. Ah, so it has kind of like the skirt effect. So you tie it. Yeah, para siyang apron. I'm happy with just this, the shorts. So siguro tatanggalin ko to. Natatanggal ko kaya yan? See, kung shorts lang siya, kung yan lang, maganda naman, diba? Anyway, it fits. Minsan lang ganito na nag-fit sa akin, especially kapag hindi siya stretchable, hindi siya elastic. But this one fits perfectly. I like it. I like it a lot. The back looks like that, but it's not supposed to look like that kasi dapat pa dito to eh. So gusto ko ganyan lang, plain lang. Last piece is... yes! Naalala ko to. I remember you! I've said it many times, pero I'm really into this print. Yung mga palm trees, and into this color as well, green, with a combination of like yellow, green, and yellow. Yeah, it's very, very tropical. Ang ganda ng material nito, ang ganda ng quality nito, in fairness naman sa kanya. Meron siyang lining sa loob. Zipper siya, guys, so hindi siya elastic. So, sana magkasya sa atin yung waist. Alright, people! Hindi din siya ganun kahaba. Kasya siya sa akin. Perfect! Kasya siya, guys! Ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Kasya siya. Meron siyang slits na ganap sa kanya. So, it has, I do not know how many. Wait, I'm not sure if I'm wearing it right. I think that's, I don't know. I think that's the right way to wear it. Hindi ko sure what's the right way to wear it. It is just the perfect length para sa akin. Just right. Yeah, it's very flowy. It feels really comfy. I will wear this with like a plain top para hindi ganun ka-overwhelming yung print. Not this. Siguro kung yellow lang to, okay na. Pero yung walang print. So yeah, I think a black top will look really good kasi meron siyang mga black accents sa kanya. Pinaka-paborito ko is yung dress, yung black dress, yung pinaka-simple. Yun yung gusto ko kasi sobrang fit na fit siya sa akin. The shorts fits me perfectly as well, which I like. And then the first pants that we've tried, I like that. Ito, gusto ko din siya. Anyway, yun na yung video. If you guys are interested, ililive ko yung links ng mga items below. Sana hindi pa sold out yung iba. Kasi when it comes to these websites, the items, especially the popular items, na-sold out siya pretty quickly. If available pa yung items, ililive ko yung link below. Ililive ko din yung link ng Rosegal. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video kung gusto niyo yung mga ganitong try-on hauls. Please subscribe if gusto niyo lang naman. And I hope to see you guys on my next one. Be good. Bye! Mwah!